Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in cultural sentiment, with a score of plus 0.46 and a momentum of plus 0.35. What's striking here is that this momentum is notably higher than the historical baseline, suggesting a recent surge in positive discussions around cultural topics that you won't want to miss. Our API returns an array of insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of cultural conversations. Imagine using this data in your application to enhance user engagement by tailoring content based on real-time cultural sentiment shifts. It could help you recommend articles, videos, or even social media posts that resonate with your audience's current mood. Explore more at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.